Good morning, students. So, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, healthy, and safe at home. So, children, as we know that today we have a worksheet test on Google Forms. So, let's take a quick revision of this chapter. So, let's start with the topic 1, languages. So, as we know that there are 22 languages recognized by the Constitution of India, and Hindi and English are the official languages. And mostly languages are written from left to right, but Kashmiri Sindhi and Urdu are written from right to left. Next is dresses. So women's wear saris, salwar kameez, jeans, skirts and gowns, and men wears jeans, trousers, shirts and t-shirts. If we talk about the dances, so there are two types of dances in our country. One is folk dance and another one is a classical dance. Okay, when we perform folk dances in marriages, birth of child, festivals, and change of season, and sowing and harvesting crops also. Classical dance we perform in temples and shows, and the famous classical dancers are very famous is Pandit Birju Maharaj and Sharmila Biswas and Sonal Mansingh. If we talk about the music, yes, music is also of two types, folk and classical. Folk musics are like Bihu Geet of Assam, it is very famous, Padmavani of Chhattisgarh, Paul Sangeet of West Bengal. And if we talk about the classical music, so there are two main styles of classical music, Hindustani and Carnatic. Hindustani classical music is developed in the north part of India, and the Carnatic music is developed in the south part of India. Okay, and some famous singers are of Hindustani music. It's are Anand Bhate, Shubha Mudgal, and some famous Carnatic or the south music like Ranjini, Gayatri, and Shankar Mahadevan. Now come to the next, which is monuments. So we all know about it. What are monuments? Like forts, palaces, temples, pillars, stoops and monasteries. These are called the monuments. And some important monuments are built by some kings or the emperors, like Emperor Ashoka. He built Sanchi Stoop temples in Mahabalipuram, Fatehpur Sikri, Agra Fort. These are made by the Akbar, Taj Mahal made by the Shah Jahan, and some monuments in Goa which are built by the Portuguese, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House and Victoria Memorial. These were built by the Britishers, and Akshardham Temple, Assembly Building. These are some modern monuments. Next is the paintings. So what are cave paintings? So the early humans painted on the walls of caves. These are called cave paintings. So the cave paintings at Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh show early humans dancing and hunting animals. The paintings of Ajanta caves in Maharashtra show scenes from the life of Lord Buddha. Clear? And some special or some famous painters are Parish Meti and Joliela Menon and Baiju Parthan. Next is, now you can see this is a picture of cave painting of Ajanta caves. Now come to the handicrafts. So some special handicrafts like terracotta horses of West Bengal are very famous. Cane and bamboo crafts of Tripura, puppets of Rajasthan, and Kanchipuram sari of Tamil Nadu. It's famous handicrafts. Okay, now come to the next, which is festivals. Now you can see this is the terracotta horse. So festivals, so we can divide it into four parts or four categories. National festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Religious festivals like Diwali, Christmas, Mahavir Jayanti. Harvest festivals like Baisakhi, Bihu. Bihu is a famous festival of Assam. Pongal, Onam, and there are some special festivals also like Tulip Festival of Jammu and Kashmir, Desert Festival of Rajasthan, Kunak Festival of Odisha, Taj Mahotsav of Uttar Pradesh, Rann Utsav of Gujarat, and Hornbill Festival of Nagaland. So here we revised our chapter again, and children, listen to me carefully. I am sending a link of your worksheet in the description box, then you can find here and go through with the link. Clear? And attempt your worksheet test. Okay, so all the best for your test. Okay, bye.